Hi everybody, this is Sonia Pathak and I don't know if many of you know, but I graduated from COEP in 2022 and in my last 2 months of college I started this YouTube channel. Hi everybody, so when I posted the videos before this of the shorts on YouTube, many of you requested that to post a tour video from the inside of the departments, but I graduated in 2022, so it wasn't possible at that time. But now I'm here to collect some documents from the college. So here I am inside the electrical department and I'm going to give you a tour about what exactly it is here. Currently I'm on the first floor and this is the labs. This is the power electronics lab and that is the DSP analog and digital lab, the one in front. So students of this department dub this department as a university in itself, because the electrical department has its own lift, the building in front has its own library, it has its own swing. I don't know if it is visible right now. It is not visible. And there is also a canteen for itself here in the department. So let's go, we'll see more of it. This is another one of the lab. Then across from the DCM lab, Department Computer Laboratory. From here you can go to the classrooms where the classes from the second year till the fourth year for electrical take place. The class for the first year in electrical take place in the AC building, that is the academic complex. The classes are going on. Like, it is fun to come back here when you are an ex-student, because right before it I was always there was a fear that I couldn't shoot here, but now that I have passed out from here, there is no fear, because first of all I wasn't
2,000 years later
doing anything that was wrong, but still it gives sort of confidence, I guess.
So students are here studying, so it is better that I do not disturb them. So another question is that I'm not a student of electrical, like I did not do electrical engineering, but why am I making a tour video of this department? So the simple and complicated answer is that this was the first department when I got into the college. So let's see. This is the HOD's cabin and we're walking in front right again. Again, another view from the electrical department. This right in front of this locked gate. Why is this locked? But right in front of this locked gate is the department library. There is this one common library in front of the main AC building that has all the books of all the branches, all years, all degrees. For example, there will you find for BTech, MTech, but for electrical, for specifically electrical, they have got the own library. Isn't that very cool? Then down below is the control system dynamics lab. I don't know what that is, never studied it, so go figure. So right in front, as you can see, there is a swing here within the department, so the students when they have free time come here and refresh and relax. And just to the left of that there is a canteen where you can get proper asal gharcha jeevan. So if you're hungry and you want to eat and you're a hostelite and you miss your home's food, the comfort of your home, the taste of your mother's food, then you can come here and have some good food. And during the lunch or snacks time you will get some good kanda bhaji. That is what has been recommended by the electrical student department. students of the electrical department. So this place holds a very special. This place has a very special meaning because there is this subject in the first year called Basic Electrical Engineering, and for like the majority of people, it is like a rule that they don't like the subject. So there are like many memories attached to this place. Like this is the lab. So I'm showing the entrance at the last. This is like where you enter from here, and it gives, this case is like all the trophies from the like past years. This is for the annual social gathering. This is for the girls that won in the BTech dancer. That this was actually in our year, the electrical department girls won in the 2022 year. Then I don't know what this is for. And right in front of it there is an idol of Ganpati Bappa. You can pray here. So this is like a very good place to have like an idol installed, because at the time of exams you fear like everything. So this place is like a good thing. Hi people, this is Sonia Pathak and I graduated from COEP in 2022. This is information for the uninitiated. And so today I am here back in the college, back in my alma mater, back in the place where it gave me so many memories, so many traumas, so many life lessons, and made me the person I am today, or like at least helped me shape my character, or like become the person who I am. Like the majority of my college life was unfortunately disrupted due to corona. But whatever little time I spent here, it was memorable. I don't know if it was like equal parts good, equal parts traumatizing. But like the major part, like if I want to like describe it in a word, it will be memorable. Like I can't forget it. So today I am here back to collect some documents from the department, and so I said why not like do some old rituals and renew some old practices and do a vlog. So I am here in the peak of summer, and as you can see I am like sweating horribly, but still I am doing the vlog. So let's see. So what we are going to do today is actually I'm going to give you a tour of the electrical department, because this was the first place when right you enter through the college, and the temperature is too much and I don't want to get too in the department and like make it a hassle to get out again. And like that so if you are planning to get admission in COEP electrical engineering or already achieved it, then you are a very lucky person, because not only the placement here are high, like when I graduated from here like in 2022, one of the third highest package from the electrical department. So the electrical department, what I was talking about, the video got interrupted. But one of the highest packages, like the third highest packages from electrical engineering, that was for Texas Instrumentation. It was like 30 lakh package. Like it was 30 plus, so I don't know the exact amount. But like if you are studying here, then not only does it have a good campus, good faculties, good labs, then it also completes it with a good placement. So yeah, मज़े है अगर यहाँ पे लग गया तुम्हारा admission तो. So bye bye. Getting into COEP. What year are you in? What branch are you from? And how is it? How are you? Expectations टूटने पे कैसा लगा? दिल टूटा? नहीं, but all jokes aside, this is a very good department. So and if you are thinking about taking an admission, or like if this is your goal, then I say why not and go ahead. And I'm also like leaving now. So until we meet again, COEP. Bye. Adios.